Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a ankle or hand bracelet. So there's only 4 things you really need. The first one is the shell pendant, of course, the string, then scissors, and tape. So the first things first, take your shell pendant, and as you can see there's a hole right here, so you just pierce it through like that. And the length of this should be half the length of your wrist, but just like this much longer, so just in case. So I would say mine would be around this long, and then you take the scissors and you just cut it like that. You do not need to knot this together, and this is where the tape comes in handy because you need it to be stable. So you take the tape. Now once you got your slip of tape, the first one you need to put over here on the top. And the second one, it's on the bottom. So right here. Okay. And now you need another string this way, but this needs to be like triple the length of this. So I would say okay, cut it. I would say around this long. Sorry for the camera area, but I don't have the right equipment for this. So I would say around that long. And you have to put it underneath it. So underneath both of these strings. I know it can be a bit confusing, but like that. And then you tie a knot. So, like that. And you try to make the sides as even as possible. So just exactly like that, just a very simple knot. Now the next part would be a bit more confusing, but it's actually really simple and easy. You can put the other materials away now because you only need these 2 strings, which is together. So the first thing you do is put this one directly over the 2 strings. Just place it on top. And for this side, you place it on top of this one on the string, but then you go under these 2. So you can sort of just lift it up and put it over like this. So then it's just another simple, very simple knot like that. Okay. And then now you switch to the other side. So we started on this side, but now we start on this side. So again, you put it over top of the 2 strings over here. As you can see, it's 2 strings. And then this one goes over top this one, but it goes through this part. So you can sort of lift it up, as I said before, and then it goes, and then you just tighten it. And if you remember correctly, we started from this side, so we start from this side once again, over top this part, and under. You can pull it up and tie it together. And so you just continue this until it goes all the way over here. And this is a hack for you guys if you guys get confused on where to start again, because sometimes I forget myself. So as you can see here, it's dark color, so you can't really see that clearly, but there's these, right? So if it's on this side, then you start on this side, okay? And if there's a little one on this side, then you start on this side. So that's my hack if you forget where to start again. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I completely ran out of string and we're not even halfway there, but that is not a problem. This string right here is adjustable, meaning you can stretch it out. So you hold on to the top and you just kind of pull it back like that. Just pull it back. And the special thing about this is when you pull it out, as you can see here, there's holes in them like that. And I feel like it just gives it so much more like uniqueness and speciality towards it. And just like that, the string just, it duplicates the braids, which is now more than enough. So this is the perfect length, honestly. So if you ever come to that problem, you can just do this and you're good to go. Now you need one of these. Okay, and then you just, there's 4 strings, so you put it in between 2. So you hold those 2 back, and you take this, and then you just put it through it, like a thread through a needle. Okay, once it's through, like that, you just knot it together, like that. Okay, and then tighten it. So then like this, it's standing there. And later you need to cut this string off. And if you want, you can do it twice for security. But normally, if I make this kind of bracelets, I do 1 knot just like this, and I would use super glue or Gorilla Glue and just right there so that it stays and it doesn't loosen up anytime soon. So that's how you do it. And on the other side, you just do the same process. The only different part is putting this inside, this one. That's it. So once you get that in there, it's done. You just cut the string off and then you can take it on and off. And this one's an ankle bracelet. So once you finish with that, you're all done. You're ready to put it on your hands or legs or whatever you want to put it.